and resolve as follows. 1, the OIL, which is the ODM Youth League, wishes Baba the best in his quest for a youth seat. And you can see the campaigns are going well. 2, we have resolved also that OIL is going to retain its identity and the identity of our mother party, which is the ODM party. Branding is going to another level, and we are going to be felt all over the country. We are also beginning a countrywide activation of our programs to capture the new membership, to add new members into our party, and at the same time also to recruit many. We'll be going out to the universities, we'll be going out to colleges, institutions of higher learning, and even into informal sectors. So watu wetu, machairman wetu wa bodaboda, tafadhali muungane na sisi ili tuhakikishe kila mtu ameingia kwa chama chetu cha ODM. The ODM Youth League also give its full support for the appointment of our 3 deputy party leaders and our chair. And we therefore want to express our confidence in their leadership. And we are going to work in hands with them, hand to hand with them. And you can see some of them are here with us, and the others have sent their apologies. So we have started on a very good note. Number 5, the OIL supports the nomination of its president, who is here talking to you, John Oleketora, as a member of assembly to fill the vacated position by our CS Treasury, our former chairman, Mbadi. I want to take this opportunity to give our SG, our able SG, we call him our super senator, also a chance to say something. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. As SG, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the ODM Youth League for holding a successful meeting here in Machakos County. Those of you who know, ODM is an extremely organized political party. And we have 3 leagues, the Youth League, the Women League, and the ODM Disability League. And all these leagues are critical to the functioning and the success of this party. I am extremely encouraged by the message that has come out of this meeting that this party will retain its identity, even in light of recent developments with the formation of the broad-based government. That tells me that the young people in this party know who they are, they know themselves, and they know their party. And therefore, Mr. President, I want to congratulate you for continuing with the good work of ensuring that you fly the flag of ODM as high as possible. I want to also congratulate you for your support for the candidature of our party leader, and I want to report to you, as the young people in the party, that everything is going well. So far, so good. And we continue with your support and the prayers for the party leader. I believe that in the fullness of time, he shall be able to make it to the AUC. I want to thank you, Honorable President, for also endorsing the proposal that came from the Central Committee on the changes to the leadership in the party, beginning with the 3 deputy party leaders, one of whom is here with us and he will speak to you shortly, and also the new chairperson, the Honorable Gladys Wanga. I want to thank you wholeheartedly for endorsing that position, and tomorrow, starting Friday, we will be convening a meeting of the National Executive Committee in Mombasa to actually now ratify those decisions. And I am happy to be going to Mombasa knowing that the Youth League will support the proposals that have come from the Central Committee of the party. So beyond that, I really don't want to say much. We are here with members of parliament. We are here with the deputy party leader and the governor of Siaya. I request that they also just say one word. I want to request that maybe we begin with the youngest of all, Honorable Umi, member of parliament from Garissa on ODM. Karibu Mheshimiwa.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, my name is Honorable Umi, and we are here on behalf of, we are here at the courtesy of the ODM Youth League. As we know, the party has 3 functioning wings, and we are proudly one of the only few, I think the only party that has acknowledged every faction of the society. We are happy to announce that we'll also have a replacement in the just announced vacancy position within the House, and I am happy to welcome my brother Ketora to the House. The party is intact regardless of the prevailing political times. ODM stands for democracy through and through. So you can be assured that the party will still remain with its visions as we support the national agenda for the interest of the country. And we will also have our party invitation to come to Garissa for the ODM Youth League. We are still planning with the leadership, so kindly take note that there'll be a big meeting to also exemplify the agendas of the party. We are happy, and we are here as a party to also continuously encourage our party leader, who continues to stand with what matters for the larger country. And we are sure that if he goes to the African Union, we will have the visions of the larger African continent and the Pan-Africanism being entrenched. So we are fully supporting his endorsement, and we are praying for him. And from where we stand, we really encourage more people to come and join the party, because this is the only party that has gone for more than 15 years, and we want to ensure that there's no other party that can come close to the ODM. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Honorable Umi. Honorable Ruth Odinga.
Thank you very much. For me, I'm just happy that the party has decided to start with the youth. It shows how much this party actually cares for the youth. And this makes me happy. The train has left the station. And with you youth, I'm sure our party is now going to be felt very much on the ground. And I know you're going to work hard on doing the recruitment that we need for this party. And you can, as you can see, we're even going to go to Garissa. We're having people from Narok. We have everybody represented in the whole country, meaning that this is not a company. Yeah, this is actually the only party that is looking after the whole country. And so because of that, I know we are going to do well. We have got the shareholding of the whole country. There's nothing that we don't have shareholding. We have everybody represented in the whole country. Now it means now you start working, and we will be coming as leadership to ensure that anywhere you want us to come and give you the support you need, we are going to be there for you. All of us have promised that if you are going to go to Garissa, we are going to be there. Whether we're going to Narok and even Mombasa, Kwale will go to every place that we need to go. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Honorable Senator Osotsi, Deputy Party Leader.
First, I want to congratulate the Youth League of ODM Party for the wonderful meeting that they have had today. And my presence here actually demonstrates that the top leadership of this party is committed to having a stronger and vibrant youth league. So I'm here to represent the top leadership and my other 2 deputy party leaders to say that as the top leadership of the party, we will support the youth league to be what it should be. And I'm happy that we are now revamping the youth league to make it a key and vital organ of our party as we prepare for the grassroots election, which are supposed to start in November. So the party is moving forward, as the SG has said, that we are a party with an identity. And our identity is to promote social justice and democracy in this country. We are not going to seize that space. We will continue doing that, even though some of our members are in the broad-based government. We will pursue that path for the benefit of all the Kenyans. And the Youth League is also going to organize several forums of this nature across the country so that we get as many youth as possible joining ODM. And ODM is the only party in this country. I know I'm making a controversial statement, but you know that recently the registrar of political party came out with an audit report and said the only party that is compliant to the Political Parties Act is the Orange Democratic Party. So the registrar of political parties, we want you to go further and say that the only party that people should join in this country should be a party that is compliant, and that party is the Orange Democratic Movement.
Thank you. Last but certainly not least, to say a few words, the Governor of Siaya, who has graced this occasion as well, Honorable James Orengo.
Thank you. I first of all wish to thank the President of the Orange Democratic Party Youth League, and that is why I'm here, and congratulate him for being nominated as a member of the National Assembly. I think it is in a way a recognition of the League and of its leadership, and I hope if more chances occur, we should have a preference for members of the League. Secondly, I think with nostalgia, when the reform movement started, we used to refer to Jaramogi as the oldest young Turk at the time. Now I find myself in a situation where I can say I'm the oldest member of OIL. Two things which have come up which I like: that we are going to keep our identity, we are going to keep our vision, and we are going to remain the best organized party, not only in the Republic of Kenya, but in the region. With that vision, with that organization, and with the discipline that our members have, I think the sky is not the limit. The sky is just a target, but we aim beyond the sky. And I know we are going to succeed. Thank you very much.
I thank you for all the leaders who have spoken. I wish that you now release us because we have important businesses already 2:30 and the House is in session. You understand the national duty that is before the House. Kindly release us. If there are any questions, they will be answered by the President of the Youth League, Honorable Ketora. Thank you very much and God bless. Thank you.
SG, they are requested for a photo session.
My friend.
Even for only 2 minutes.
A photo session, 2 minutes.
SG.